We're recording. Ow!
Pieces of shit.
Ow! Finest at work right there. Ow!
This is our car.
You're breaking my shit!
This is our police officers right here.
Ow!
Get off his leg! You're breaking his leg!
Nobody's touching his leg.
You're putting it between your legs,
On
dude!
the ground.
Jesus Christ!
I'm just saying, stop.
Sit up! Sit up!
Fucking pigs.
Ow! Ow! I'm idiots. Ow!
Y'all are gonna go to hell.
Oh, yeah.
Ow!
Go with your
What the
brother really
fuck?
quick,
Piece
please.
of shit. God.
What the fuck are you doing, man?
Yeah, why are you rolling him all over the place?
Checking you for what?
He's not a damn hot dog.
This time, me and Josh are under arrest, man.
What?
Failure to obey a lawful order.
What?
Instruction.
Me too. I got hot coffee all over me.
Yeah, because of you.
Nope. You threw it at me. You threw it at me.
Sweetie, I had
You threw it at me.
Can I just
I have the proof.
I've been trying
So,
to set up.
I'll that's fine.
You're a fucking idiot.
That's fine. No, that's fine.
I just tried to get
That's
my
fine.
keys.
I'm pressing charges too.
I'm EDS,
Good.
man.
Good.
What the fuck is your fucking deal? I am listening, you fucking idiot.
Go with your brother.
I'm fucking disabled. That guy was dumb, like, you fucking idiot.
I am too.
It's hard for me to walk my arm. I'll
Okay.
get back.
Stand up, number one. Okay, Josh.
No, get the fuck off of me. Let me get up. Stop doing that.
Don't pull on him. You'll break his arm. He has EDS. He has EDS. Don't.
They are trying to get him up off the ground. Enough.
I'm trying to tell him he has a medical condition. If they
I
pull,
completely understand.
well, tell him stop pulling on him.
So have him stop resisting.
Who's the fucking biggest point here?
Josh. Josh.
You're hurting me.
I know. Stay there, D'Angelo.
Stop doing that. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. I want to see the ambulance. Stop it. I want ambulance. Ow, fucking it. You hit my head against that. You're an idiot. RATSNER.
Calm down.
I need ambulance.
They're right there.
I need ambulance.
And they're coming.